Let's cut through the hype. And the grass. These are the lawn mowers people actually buy, and for good reason. Here's what's hot and what's worth watching before you drop your cash. First up, the Greenworks 60-volt 42-inch crossover zero-turn riding mower. If you want the quiet power of electric without compromising speed or cut quality, this is the one. It comes with 4 8.0 amp-hour batteries and 2 dual-port turbochargers, giving you plenty of runtime and fast recharge. The zero-turn steering makes it super agile, especially around trees and tricky flower beds. It's quiet, easy to maintain, and built for large yards that need serious coverage. Ready to ditch gas and go smooth and silent? Your new ride's hanging out in the description. If you're sticking with gas and want something powerful, check out the Husqvarna Z254F. You're getting a 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine, a 54-inch deck, and zero-turn precision, which means you can whip around the yard like a pro. The air induction system lifts grass for a cleaner, more consistent cut, and it cruises through big lawns without breaking a sweat. Need power with performance? The link's in the description and it's ready to roll. Want something a little more classic? The Husqvarna TS 148X is a traditional lawn tractor that still packs a punch. It's got a 24 horsepower Briggs engine, a 48-inch deck, and a smooth hydrostatic transmission, so you can control speed easily on hills or uneven terrain. It's ideal for medium to large lawns and gives you that comfortable ride-on feel without going full commercial. Prefer the old school ride with modern power? Hit the description and take it for a spin. For the clean energy crowd, the Ego Power Plus TR 4204 electric riding mower is a standout. It includes 6 56-volt 6.0 amp-hour batteries and a charger, which means crazy runtime and fast recovery between mowing sessions. It's got a 42-inch deck, is cordless, and runs whisper quiet. Great for neighborhoods where noise matters, but performance still counts. Want to mow without waking the block? Links in the description. Go green with EGO. And for smaller yards or tighter spots, the LawnMaster 48-volt push mower keeps it clean and compact. It's got a 19-inch cutting deck, dual 24-volt batteries, a brushless motor, and a dual charger. Easy to maneuver, simple to store, and perfect for quick maintenance cuts. Don't need a beast? This lightweight mower's sitting in the description, ready to roll out. So that's the lineup. Everything from foldable cordless mowers to full-size zero-turn rigs. Whether you're after quiet electric performance or classic gas-powered torque, 2025's bestsellers have something for your yard's needs and your style. I dropped all the product links down in the description so you don't have to dig. Just pick your power, grab your gear, and make mowing the least annoying part of your week.